with reference to the letter number LAE Group 2025 1356 dated 21/7/2025. The required information is under. The Uttar Pradesh Police registered the case FIR number 228/25 US 87113114 BNS and section 3/5. Uttar Pradesh prohibits the unlawful conversion of a Religion Act 2021 dated 14/7/2025 at PS Sadar Bazar, Agra, Uttar Pradesh against one suspected, namely Saima Khushbu, regarding the kidnapping of the two girls on the pretext of their marriage as they were not traceable. 2. And during the investigation of the said case, the Uttar Pradesh police approached the Goa police on 17/7/25 with an arrest warrant issued by the CGM Agra dated 14/7/25 against the one lady, namely the Mrs. S.B. Krishna, Aisha, daughter of the Baijman Shuhur and a resident of the house number 2/3, Gurzar Bhatt, Taravlim, Goa, Vella, North Goa. Third, according to the Old Goa Police Station, provided assistance of the team to the Uttar Pradesh Police and traced out the said suspected lady and who has been residing in the house number FF3, first floor, Aldiadi, Goa, Baiginim, Old Goa. Thereafter, and she was arrested on the 17/7/25 by Uttar Pradesh Police, and they took her to the Uttar Pradesh for the purpose of investigation. Goa Police has in regular contact with the senior official of the Uttar Pradesh Police to gather for all the details and about her activities in Goa. Our local intelligence team are gathering details of the Asia network in Goa, and the action will be taken according to the emerging details. Goa Police has already established the social media monitoring cell to check all the subversive activities. If such activities are noticed, the strict legal action will be taken against the preparators. This issue to be the approval for the DGP.
वृत्तपत्रांनी एक न्यूज हाडलो आणि हितून एक असो न्यूज आसा की आयेशा उर्फ SB कृष्णा उर्फ निक्की अशा तरे ह्या नावाची एक बायल उत्तर प्रदेश पोलिसांनी तिका अटक केली गोंयांत आणि ह्या घटनेचे वरसून अशें भय निर्माण जाला सबंद गोंयांत की ही कट्टरपंथीय जिहादी रॅकेटा कडेन संबंध आसलेली ही बायल हे बायलेचो आतंकवादी संघटने कडेन सुद्धा संबंध आसा काय कितें अशा तरेचे एक भीतीचे वातावरण गोंयांत पसरलेलें आहा स्पीकर सर. त्यामुळे तिची सखोल चौकशी करपाक लागून आज उत्तर प्रदेश पोलिसांक यश येयल्लें आसा. म्हाका स्पीकर सर सांगपाक सोदता हांव की अशा तरेचे आतंकवादी संघटनेची संबंध असलेल्या लोकांक आमच्या गोंयांत येवन वास्तव्य करता आणि आमच्या पुलिसांक हे कळना कशें हो म्हजो प्रश्न आसा स्पीकर सर. आज तेजो बापूय जो एक लश्कर अधिकारी आसलो आणि तिच्या कडेन तिजो घोव स्वताचो ह्या जे संघटना जी आसा कट्टरपंथीय जिहादी रॅकेट जे आसा ह्या रॅकेटा कडसून तांकां UAE, अमेरिका, कॅनडा सारख्या लंडन सारख्या देशा कडसून तांकां अफाट पैसा येता. crores of rupees they are getting in their account. हे बायलेच्या अकाउंटाचेर इतले पैसे येता आणि हे आमच्या पोलिसांक कशें कळना. मूळ ओरिसा ह्या गांवांतली ही बायल आमच्या गोंयांत येवन स्थापीत जाली. सांत आंद्रे हांगासर ती रावताली आणि ते वास्तव्य करता आसतना ताची फूल फॅमिली हांगा आसताली. तिजो हजबंड हांगा आसा तो एका कलकत्त्यातल्या एका कोर्टान कर्मचारी म्हणून काम करतालो आणि हे सगळे जे धर्मांतर करपाचें जे काम आसा तो लिगल सगळ्यो फॉर्मालिटी तो करतालो. आता हे सगळे गोष्टी जेन्ना UP पुलिसांनी फायंड आउट केल्यो तेन्ना आमकां एक भयाचें वातावरण निर्मिती जाल्ली आसा ह्या गोंयांत की अशे अनेक अशे संघटनाक जे सपोर्ट करणारे हे जे लोक आसा ते गोंयांत आश्रय करता काय कितें म्हणून हांव मागता सभाघरा कडेन की हेजेर सखोल चवकशी करची आणि दुसऱ्यो हितून व्यक्ती कोण तरी आसा जाल्यार ते बी चवकशी करची किंवा आनीक खंयच्यो संघटना ज्यो हांगासल्यो प्रायवेट संघटना आसतल्यो त्यो सुद्दां ह्या लोकां कडेन संघटीत आसा काय कितें हेजेर चवकशी करची स्पिकर सर.
Speaker sir, yeah, I calling attention. Mrs. Aisha alias S.B. Krishna alias Mickey ही गोंयांत रावताली, ओल्ड गोवा रावताली, कुर्का रावताली आनी आयज UP पुलिसांनी इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन कोण ताका धरला आनी इतलो टायम ती गोंयांत रावताली पूण आमच्या क्रायम ब्रांचाक कांयच खबर आसना. आमचे व्हेरिफिकेशन सारकें जाता काय जायना. आयज आमचे गोंय एक स्टेट आहा ती ट्युरिजमाची आनी हिंगा लाखांनी लोक येतात. आमची फेस्टिवल जातात, टेम्पलान जाता, चर्चीन जाता. रिसंटली सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियराचें एक्सपोजिशन जालां, लाखांनी लोक येयल्लो आनी सोगट्यांनी बरे भाशेन अरेंजमेंट जालो. आमचे चीफ मिनिस्टराक प्रेस केल्या पूण ही आयुश्या ओल्ड गोवा रावताली जोरी तर पहलगाम असले इन्सिडंट जाला ते गोंय जाल्ले जाल्यार कितें जावपाचें. आमचे क्रायम ब्रांच आहा, आमचे पोलीस आहा ते कितें वताय. आमकां हें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावपाक जाय. जी रिप्लाय दिल्या ती आतां डोलमटरी जाल्या. असले टेररिस्ट हो कोण गँगां कितली आसतली गोंयांत. हे गेटेड कॉम्प्लेक्स मेगा प्रोजेक्ट जाता, गेटेड कॉम्प्लेक्स आसता तितून कोण रावता, कोण येता, कोण वयता, कोणाक कांयच खबर आसना. आतां हे UP पुलिसांनी इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन कोणी सांपडला ना जाल्यार हिंगा कितले आहेत अजून पासून कोणाची सर्वे आसपाना. सो हांव डिमांड करता हेजे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावन आमचे हे आन्सर्स काय दिल्यात ते न्हू. आतां हे पुलीस व्हेरिफिकेशन जाता ते सारकें जावपाक जाय. हांव मागता आमचे चीफ ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ होमा लागीं द एक्सटेंट ऑफ हर इन्वॉल्वमेंट एंड द फायनान्शियल गुड हें फायंड आउट करपाक जाय. द नेचर एंड लोकेशन ऑफ ऑपरेशन कॅरीड आउट इन गोवा, तेज भाशेन द status of other associated with this network they have been identified, questioned and apprehended. हे कितले जाण इन्वॉल्व आहे, गोंय कितले आहे अजून पासून हे सगळे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावपाक जाय. आनी तेज भाशेन आनीक कोण येतले तेच सोड आनीक कितली एका स्लिपींग सेल आसतली टेररिस्टांची ती फायंड आउट करपाक जाय. ना जाल्यार ही गोंयकारांक ही भिरांत. गोंयकार ओपनली भोंवतात, ओपनली फेस्टिवलां करतात, लाखांनी लोक हिंगा आसतात. सो हांव मागता हें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावपाक जाय.
विजय सरदेसाय.
स्पीकर सर, बाब प्रेमेन शेटान कॉलिंग अटेंशन हेंचेर रेज केला, ताका सपोर्ट करपाक हांव हांगा उबो रावला. स्पीकर सर, ही जी बाय आयशा म्हण तिका धरल्या ती एक UP पुलिसाचे मिशन अस्मिताचे अंडर तिका अरेस्ट केल्या. हिजे पयलीं एक चंगूर बाबा म्हणून ताका धरिल्लो UP पुलिसेन आनी ताजे वयल्यान हें नांव हिजें पाविल्लें. आतां ताका तो पळय केदो व्हडलो प्लेयर तो ताणें एक प्रेजेंट केलो आपल्याक की RSSाचो आपूण एक भाग म्हणून नागपुराक वचून ताणें ऑफिस केलें. हें आहा, दीस इज ऑल डॉक्युमेंटेड. आनीक भारत प्रतिकर्त सेवा संघ म्हणून केलो आनी हो चंगूर बाबा आलियास जमालुद्दीन हाणें हें फंड करून 106 कोटी रुपया फॉरेन फंडींग हाडलें मिडल इस्टाच्यान. आनी हे पयशे सगळे ताणें कन्वर्जनाक वापरले म्हणून UPचे पुलीस म्हणटात. पूण ताजेर PMLAची केस जाल्या आनी हे जावन हे फायनली येता गोंयांत की गोंयांतूय बी एक मनीस ताजो एक सॅटेलायट कशें आशिल्लें, स्लीपर सेल कशें गोंयांत आशिल्लें. स्पीकर सर, हाजे पयलीं अशें जाल्लें आहा की हे जे कोण येतात, पयलीं एकदां आमी एक कोण तरी आयिल्लो एक पयलींच्या मंत्र्यान सगळ्याक घेवन ताका भोंवलो आनी तो गेस्ट म्हणून ताका स्टेट प्रोटोकॉल पसून दिलें आनी मागीर कळ्ळें की तो फ्रॉड म्हणून. असो हो ही बी बायल आयल्या ती तुमच्या बरोबर खंय दिसूंक ना बी न्ही, तें पयलीं चॅक करा कित्याक सडनली कोणाचो फोटो येता टक करून आनी आमचो सरकारांतलोच कोण तरी मनीस ताजे बरोबर उबो आहा ना नागपूरच्यान आमकां धाडिल्ले म्हणून सांगत बी की अशी लज जाता. कित्याक ही लज आमच्या गोंयचे पुलिसेचे नाक कापले ताणी UPचे पुलिसेन की ताणी येवन तांकां धरचे पडले म्हणून. स्पीकर सर, आनी वॉट इट इज इस्टॅब्लिशींग दॅट गोवा इज बिकम अ बेज for international racketeering, illegal conversion, hawala transaction, transnational network funded by international actors are based in Goa. Speaker sir, असे खूप सायबर स्लेवरी जॉब स्कॅमां भायर इन्वॉल्व जाल्ली ही गोंयच्या पुलिसांनी धरिल्ली आहा आनी ताचें लिस्ट आहा. पूण हें सगळें लिस्ट कितें दाखयता की गव्हर्मेंटाचो इंटेलिजन्स फेलियर, की हे जेन्ना क्रिमिनल येदो व्हडलो नेटवर्क तयार करतात गोंयांत तेन्ना पुलीस कितें करताले, न्हिदिल्ले काय भजी भाजताले हें सरकारान सांगचें पडटलें. मॉनिटरींग कित्याक जायना, इल्लिगल फॉरेन रेमिटन्सीस जर जातात, हांवें 106 कोटी रुपयाचे रेमिटन्सीस सांगलां, सरकार करता कितें, सस्पिशियस बँक ट्रान्झॅक्शन्स अनरेजिस्टर्ड एंटिटीचे ट्रान्झॅक्शन जाता हें पळयता कोण, आनी हाऊ विल यू प्रोएक्टिवली कर्ब दीज ऑर्गनायज्ड क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटीज. स्पीकर सर, पयलें हें सगळें कित्याक येता, कित्याक हें युपीचे पुलिसांनी धरिल्ली केस, गोंयच्या पुलिसांनी न्ही, सो आमी क्रेडीट घेवंक जायना, नंबर 1. आनी ताचे खातीर मुखेलमंत्र्यान आमकां क्लियर आन्सर दिवंक जाय, कितें कॉन्क्रीट मेजर्स तुमी घेतले. स्पीकर सर, एक मिनीट, हे असले नेटवर्क आनी जावचे न्ही म्हणून. दुसरें, सरकार रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेता हे लॅप्साची आनी पोटेन्शियल कॉन्सिक्वन्सीची, तें कितें तें सांगूंक जाय. आनीक मॉनिटर आनी सेफगार्ड करपा खातीर इंटरनॅशनल फंड्स चड करून एक्स्ट्रिमिस्ट ऑर्गनायझेशनाचे गोंयचो पुलीस कितें करता आनी सरकार गोंयचो कितें करता, हे हाजेर क्लियर आन्सर मेळची.
To support the motion of Pramendra Sheikh and Cruz Silva on this grave matter of national security of public concern of an international network operating in Goa, with all that which is mentioned there. Goa, to Zana Honorable Speaker, is becoming a welcoming place to welcome everybody. And we need to be cautious. कित्याक आता विजय बाबान सांगले ते भाशेन तो चंगू बाबा म्हूण कोण आशिल्लो तो तेणे लेटरहेड केला, PM मोदीचो पिक्चर गायलो लेटरहेडाचेर, आनी लोक चिंतालो हो RSS मेंबर म्हणून. एशको लोकां फोटोईन, ऑफिसरा फोटोईन एक कोर्ट क्लार्का पासून ओडून तो एसले कन्वर्शन करतालो. आतां कोण एक धर्माचो टेररिस्ट केल्लो म्हूण दॅट इज वन पार्ट ऑफ इट वीच इज ऑल्सो नॉट करेक्ट, बट दुसऱ्या धर्माचो लोकां ओडून, मायनर्स ओडून कन्वर्ट करतालो, दॅट इज कंप्लिटली अनएक्सेप्टेबल. आमचे गोंयचे पुलीस आतां UP पुलीस गोंय येयले ते पिकअप करून गेले इन दीस लास्ट केस. म्हणून आमचे गोंयचे पुलीस कितें करतात, इंटेलिजन्स कितें करता, इंटेलिजन्स दिल्लो आसा. इंटेलिजन्स फकत ऑपोजिशन कितें करता, ऑपोजिशन हू येता हूंय फोटो काडटा ते पळयतात. देखून तेंचे क्रायम ब्रांच आसा ते टोटली इनइफेक्टीव, revamp करूंक जाय. And this is fault of the Goa police for not being able to identify and give support. Address dil mun Goa police accompanied is not anything which is of investigation. Powell mun dusri UP police they address na nothing Powell mun, that's not crime. Aaj in the neighborhood amche neighborhood akon आयलो जाल्यार अशें कोण terrorist फकत आमके न्ही, आमगे नेबर आमगे भुरग्यांक सगळे हें प्रॉब्लम जाता. दुसरे स्टेटीन भुरगीं नाच जातात, हें आमगे गोंय अजून स्टार्ट जालें ना. म्हूण असले लोक आयले जाल्यार आमचे धाकले भुरगे सडनली नाच जाले जाल्यार, किडनॅप केले जाल्यार, वयले जाल्यार आमी सोदूंक हांव
English worker.
Speaker sir, I stand to support the calling attention moved by Pramendra Sheikh and Cruz Silva. Speaker sir, आता जो मेन मुद्दा आसा, आता जेन्ना रिपोर्ट येयल्लो आसा त्या रिपोर्टान सांगला की आमच्या सांगेंद्र मतदारसंघान गुजराबाट तालावलीम हांगा ही जी आयशा म्हणून आसा ती आयशा सापडली, मिन्स ती थंय रावताली म्हणून, आनी आफ्टर दॅट ती मूव जाली ओल्ड गोवा म्हणून. आतां स्पिकर सर, हांव हो मेन प्रश्न आसा की जे रिलिजियस कन्वर्जन जे म्हणटा हें गोंयभरांत कितल्या प्रमाणान चल्लां जावं देशभरांत कितल्या प्रमाणान चल्लां ह्या हेजेरूच कळटा. आनी हांगा कितले जाण जाल्या, कित्याक इन एंड अरावंड कितले जाणांक अशे प्रयास केल्लो आसा हेजेर कांयच रिपोर्ट अजून पर्यंत सरकाराचो ना. तशेंच स्पिकर सर, जी आयशा म्हणून आसा ती एक रेंटाक रावताली एक सर्वीसमॅनाच्या घरान, सूर्यकांत कुमार मिश्रा म्हणून हेंच्या घरान रावताली. आनी त्या घरान जी टेनंट व्हेरिफिकेशन कितल्या प्रमाणान जालां, कित्याक हांवें स्वता लेटर बरयल्लें डिपार्टमेंटाक, हेजे पयलीं पासून कितलेशे फावटी
ही लेटर बरोवन डिपार्टमेंटाक धाडलेली पुलीस स्टेशनाक धाडलेली आसा DGPक धाडलेली आसा की हेजे टेनंट व्हेरिफिकेशन प्रॉपरली जावपाक जाय ऑल ओव्हर कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी आनी आख्खे गोंयभरात आनी सीएमान आमकां एश्युरन्स दिल्लें हें टेनंट व्हेरिफिकेशन प्रॉपरली जातलें म्हणून आतां हितून स्पिकर सर कितें प्रॉब्लेम जाता हें सांगता तुमकां हांगा टेनंट व्हेरिफिकेशन म्हणून कितें करता आधार कार्ड घेता आधार कार्डाचेर नोट करता व्हेरीफाय म्हणून दाखयता आनी ते काडटा आनी दुसऱ्या स्टेटीन म्हटल्यार DYSPक धाडटा DSP SPक धाडटा आनी तेंचे फुडें तेंच्या स्टेटीन धाडले म्हणून सांगता मात तेंच्या स्टेटीन धाडले मात तेंचो क्रिमिनल बॅकग्रावंड कितें आसा हो क्रिमिनल बॅकग्रावंड स्पिकर सर कोण पळयना तो क्रिमिनल बॅकग्रावंडाची रिपोर्ट जो आसा तो पळोवनूच तांकां व्हेरीफायड करपाक जाय मात तें जायना स्पिकर सर हें कित्याक लागून हें म्हाका दिसता आमच्या मुखेलमंत्र्यान जो आयज मुखेलमंत्री सुपर CM जाल्लो आसा तेंचे कडेन 28 पोर्टफोलियो आसा मात ह्या होम डिपार्टमेंट जे आसा ह्या डिपार्टमेंटाचेर म्हाका दिसता चड लक्ष दिवपाक जाय समज अशें जालें आतां ओल्ड गोवा आसा जो टुरिजम सायट जावं रिलिजियस सायट सगळ्यांकून व्हडली जी आमची टुरिजम डेस्टिनेशन आसा ह्या डेस्टिनेशनाचे सामकाराकूच ही आतां थंय रावताली आयशा म्हणटा ती आनी अशें समज जालें तेन्ना आमचो जो क्रायम ब्रांच आसा बाकीचे सेल्स आसा जे सुपर स्पेशल ब्रांच आसा IB आसा हे सगळे करताले कितें हेंच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी हेचेर लक्ष दवरपाक जाय आसलें आमची मागणी एकूच आसा स्पिकर सर की हे व्हेरिफिकेशन जे आसा हेका लागून स्पेशल सेल काडचो स्पिकर सर आयकोचें स्पेशल सेल काडचो कित्याक हे व्हेरिफिकेशन सारकें जायना आनी हे प्रूव जाल्लें आसा हांगा UP पुलीस हांगा डायरेक्शन दिता आनी हांगा गोंय पुलिसाक एक्शन घेवची पडटा सो स्पिकर सर हांगा हे सेल जे आसा हे इम्पॉर्टंट आसा CMान म्हाका दिसता हेचेर लक्ष दिवपाक जाय थँक्यू
Sir, I stand by in support of the calling attention raised by my colleague. Speaker sir, सगळे उलयले and we are of the same line. But प्रश्न ह्या आता की ही जी आयशा निकी हे अरेस्ट जाल्ले गोवा पुलिस आणि गोवा स्टेट ऑथॉरिटीज were they slow or inactive in identifying and stopping the alleged illegal network operating within the state despite months of activity? गोंयच पुलीस स्लो आसले ओ ते बोड्यान हे आयडेंटिफाय करूना ओ कोणागे प्रेशराचेर हे आयडेंटिफाय करूना आनी हाडूना हेजे म्हाका आन्सर जायो आजे हावजाव आन्सर जायो गोंयच पुलिसेन कितें आयडेंटिफाय करूना डज द गव्हर्नमेंट अग्री that this activity was going on and what action has the government taken till date because the Goa police has not acted. Oile dusre UP police Goaeli they arrested her. Now this is raising questions about local oversight. म्हणजे आम oversee केले यूज जाताल्यो त्यो vigilance and political will. What the government has done for this local oversight. आयज दिसाक कसले रॅकेट समज चलता गोंया आनी हुंय ते तुमकां आयडेंटिफाय करपा जाता काय जायना हे इन्सिडेंटा वयल्यान एक केस स्टडी अशी हेजेर तुमकां जावं ना आज समज चलता इसले इन्सिडेंट वॉट मेजर्स हॅव यू पुट इन प्लेस एक म्हयनो पयलो जे तुमकडे आसोना तार्यार घालपाक ते आज तार्यार घालपाक तुमी कितें केलां समज आनी असलीच एक्टिविटी गोंय चलता ती ओवरसायट जावची न्हू म्हूण आज गोंय सरकारान कितें केलां आणि पुलिसेन कित केला हेजे एक आन्सर जायो दुसरे and the last we want the house to know was it deliberately unseen by the Goa police was there somebody's hand to let such go will this such incidents be repeated in Goa again what actions are being planned in the future
CRX Lawrence
ठीक है सर I won't repeat सगळ्यांना रिपीट केले only two things one since the assembly is there for many days गोवा पुलिसान तेगे कित लिंक आहा तो एक्झॅक्टली कित्याक गोंयांत they are thinking that everybody easy going म्हणजे कित जाता कांय एक्शन जायना अशें म्हणून जायना आचार इजी अशें जावपा जायना म्हूण I want the police within this next before the assembly काबाज आसली what exactly is the link what is the link as far as the conversion is concerned what is the link as far as the money is concerned what is the link what she was doing इतले आमकां प्रोड्यूस करून दाखोवचें कित्याक पुलीस since everybody is castigating the police I think police should produce this at the just before the end of the assembly speaker sir
yes see attorney sir
rise to support the calling attention by Sri Premanand Seth and Cruz Silva. Speaker sir, I directly come to the point. Magdista, Goa police, this is not the first time failure and I am charging this.
हे म्हाका दिसता थोडे ऑफिसर्स येताय ते गोंया हे हॉलिडे सिजन येताय एंड दिस हेज बीन प्रूव्ड बाय द प्रिवियस टॉप हाय रँकींग ऑफिसर्स तांकां दोन बायलेन कोण तापड मान हिंगसून गोंय धाडूं पडे सो माय चार्ज इज द ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर आयदर इज स्लो विथ देम ओ इज व्हेरी सॉफ्ट विथ देम कित्याक हे म्हाका दिसता गोंयान नांव पेडे करपा जाला फर्स्ट इज वॉट ड्रग्स अदर स्टेट पुलीस हॅड टू कम एंड अरेस्ट द किंगपिन्स ऑफ ड्रग्स आनी आतां हे जे with or terrorist links. Magista, Honorable Chief Minister have to be very serious because Goa is a state where tourists come. Anik muddam sangta then when this lady was caught in old Goa आणि जेन्ना बाप क्रुजांनी सांगले व्हडले आमगेले एक्सपोजिशन जालें सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियराचें आनी लास्ट 1.5 years he was here with this terrorist link जायत पाडा मुठाय San Francisco आम मुठाय गोंयचो सायब आनी राखत म्हूण I want to make a special point now and mention म्हाका दिसता ही बायल असली टेररिस्ट लिंक आसून गोंय 1.5 वर्स रावन जर आमी गोंय सांबाळा जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता San Franciscan सांबाळा नाजाल्यार ही कित कोतालो म्हूण कोण जाणा सो आय अगेन से दॅट गोवा पुलीस कोणाक दोताय कोण 10 रुपये मोळके हेड टॅक दोताय कोण बेगाराय तांकां दोताय कोण आनी कसो बारीक कसो काम करता तांकां दोताय बट हे ऑल इतू लिंक आहा करोडान पयशे येताय फॉर सम फंडींग एंड गोवा पुलीस इज नॉट आनी इंटेलिजन्स इतले फेलियर जाला सो आय थिंक सो Honorable Chief Minister have to take strict action on the higher up. हे बारके कॉन्स्टेबलांक कोण 10 रुपये 20 रुपये दोताय ते मोडकेवाले तुम दोताय हेंका दवरपाक जालें सो यू सी दॅट यू टेक एन एक्शन एंड सी वेर योर इंटेलिजन्स हॅज फेल्ड थँक यू स्पीकर
कॉलिंग अटेन्शन हाडला आमचो कलीग शमानन शेटान आनी बऱ्यातले बरें कॉलिंग अटेन्शन हाडलेले आहा आतां ही SB कृष्णा आयशा निकी ही बायल एक पळय हिंगा गोंयान UP पुलिसान धरल्या आनी ही एक टेररिस्टाचे लिंक आहा म्हणून ते ट्रॅक केल्या कित्याक UPक एक कसली तरी केस जावन ते ट्रॅक करून ते गोंयान पावले आतां एक इम्पॉर्टंट आमी हें करपाचें आहा की ती गोंयान कित्याक येयली आनी ओल्ड गोवा ती कित्याक रावली हे आमी इन्वेस्टिगेट करून कशे भाशेन फायंड आउट करूंक जाय कित्याक ओल्ड गोवा आमची हेरिटेज आमची चर्च आहा सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियराची तशेंच आमचे बरे हिंदू टेंपल आहा तशेंच मॉस्क आहा बरे आमच्यो ट्युरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन आहा हे कितें तेचे इंटेन्शन आसलें तें पळोवपाक आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटान हें इन्वेस्टिगेट करूंक थँक्यू
Speaker sir, I rise to speak in support of the calling attention moved by Premanand Shet and Cruz Silva. Speaker sir, jenna news ailo of the arrest of Aisha alias SB Krishna alias Nikki. Anik त्या वेळार म्हाका दिसता पयली सुवातेर खूब गरजेची वस्त आयच्या दिसाक आयज हिंगा जायते मेंबर उलयले बट I sound a note of caution before alleging threat to national security. Speaker sir, today, Goa is emerging as an unsuspected base. When I say unsuspected base for operation linked to extremist networks. Now when we look at these links, Speaker sir, illegal foreign funding activities to crores of rupees is being disclosed by the UP ATS police. This is something that the Chief Minister, as Minister of Home, has to grapple with seriousness. This is a very, very serious issue. Because आज jenna a hawala-based transaction or financial network through which the accused repeatedly received crores of rupees of funding for almost more than a year. I want to draw the attention to the Chief Minister. Ki the fact is je illicit transaction je pad zada, they went undetected. Forget Goa police. They went undetected by the central intelligence agencies pade hai, like Financial Investigation Bureau, ED, IB, as well as the Goa police. So Goa police has a failure ahach, but also several other agencies that are involved in this. Speaker sir, aaj maga dista ejer jenna ami uloita about law and order. This is a indictment of the current security and financial monitoring apparatus that the state of Goa has. Speaker sir, aaj ye agencies are more engaged, as Bab Kalusan Sangala, more focus is on harassing politicians in the opposition. It is deeply troubling that no law enforcement agencies could track her movements, could track the financial activities, and could track the ideological affiliations. This is something that is very, very important. This is complete failure. Speaker sir, despite all this, Janna UP ATS has worked and nabbed the culprit. Aaj Mukhyamantri and the government must clarify, number one, how long was she active in Goa? Number two, who facilitated her stay? Inga Goyant Raupak Kone Teka Atbar Dilo. Tisre, were there Goan citizens or local actors involved in sheltering or financing her stay? Speaker sir, एक network mapping exercise post arrest has the Goa police done of this network mapping. Where was she involved? Has this exercise been done? The Honorable Chief Minister needs to answer. Speaker sir, Goa Police and Ministry of Home Affairs have you all filed any detailed report? The Honorable Chief Minister needs to answer. Speaker sir, ye poile pusa jaunk na Goyant. Ye poile pusa jaunk na because Goa has not appeared in headlines, especially involving radical elements. Now, when I say radical elements, because what does this show? This shows that this is a systematic weakness. A systematic weakness in Goa's intelligence, in cyber surveillance, and in inter-agency coordination. It's a complete failure, and Goa Police or the Home Ministry stands fully exposed. This arrest because it indicates that amche Manukule Goy is now vulnerable to being used as a safe house. I urge the government and especially the Chief Minister to take this house into confidence. When I say taking house into confidence, you have to inform us if Goa Police had any prior intelligence or watch list entries for the accused. Did you all have it? I request the Chief Minister, he is also the Home Minister, you must issue a clear policy statement today on the floor of the House. Such type of terrorist activities happening in the state of Goa is a very, very serious blot on the state. Let the House send a clear and unambiguous clear message. Aaj Speaker sir, Goa message kite? Message ami dadpak jai from this House that Goa will not tolerate extremist terrorism, extremist infiltration, covert funding, misuse of our religious harmony and heritage species for these subversive activities. Speaker sir, Mukhyamantri हांव सांगपाक सोदता आनी उगडास करपाक सोदता निमाणें आमचे Indian National Congressaचे leader, we lost two great leaders, Rajiv Gandhi ji, Indira Gandhi ji, through this type of terrorism. Our party, Indian National Congress, has martyred our leaders for the service of the country. They died for the country. Anik Speaker sir, the message should go from this house that we must destroy all dens of terrorism. Thank you, Speaker sir.
स्पीकर सर, आयेशा नामक की जे केस जाल्या म्हणजे SB कृष्णा उर्फ निक्की उर्फ आयेशा वा पेमेंद्र शेठ हांणी जो कॉलिंग एटेन्शन हाडले त्या कॉलिंग एटेन्शनाचेर सगळे जाण सगळे उलयले. एट प्रेजेंट इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज गोईंग ऑन. ओके, त्याच्या खातीर हांव तेजे केसीची डिटेल्स आनी ते दिवचो ना. एक्चुअली सगळे हांवें हाडलेले बट त्या केसीची डिटेल्स हांवें तुमकां दिवंक ना कारण इन्क्वायरी इज गोईंग ऑन. दुसरी गजाल, तांकां जो पुराय हांगासले गोंयचे इंटेलिजन्स आनी गोंयचे पुलीस हांच्यांनीच सपोर्ट केला ताका रोखडें सोदून काडपाक आनी ताका व्हरपा खातीर. तिसरी गजाल स्पीकर सर, आतां पळयतालो की हांव गोंयांत टेनंट व्हेरिफिकेशन हें स्ट्रिक्टली आसा आनी टेनंट व्हेरिफिकेशन एक्ट आमच्याच टेन्युअरान आमी पास केला. 66,000 टेनंट्स ऑलरेडी आमी व्हेरीफायड केले आनी आतां ऑनलायन टेनंट व्हेरिफिकेशन केलां म्हणून कोणाच्या घरात जर कोणूय आपल्या भाड्याक दवरता आसत जाल्यार तेजें टेनंट व्हेरिफिकेशन करचें. फाल्यां सकाळीं तो जर असो कितें असल्या क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटीनी किंवा अशा पद्दतीच्या बाकीच्या एक्टिविटीनी जर मेळ्ळो जाल्यार ज्याच्या घरात रावता तेकाय अरेस्ट करतले आनी इवन दो म्हणजे असल्या एक्टिविटी जाल्योच बट तेका म्हणजे रावता तेका अरेस्ट करतात बट घर ओनराकूय अरेस्ट करतात. आतांय फायन मारप बीन चालू आसा पण पुलीस ह्या पद्दतीच्यो ज्यो एक्टिविटी स्पेशली इट इज एन फोर्सफुली कन्वर्जन जेका आमी म्हणटा तें फोर्सफुली कन्वर्जन करपा खातीर बट विशेश करून हे जे आयेशा जे आसा पळय न्ही हे तशे गोंयांत तेजे पेरंट्स रावताले फक्त हॉलिडेज ते गोंयांत येताले गोंयांत ते रावनासले तेजें पुराय एड्युकेशन हे भायल्या स्टेटींत जालां आनी थंयच्यान ते ट्रान्सफर तेजी कंप्लीट हिस्ट्री आहा तें हांव वाचिना आनी म्हाका हावजा मुखारूय दिवपाची आत्तां तरी दिवपाची ना बिकॉज दॅट केस इज गोईंग ऑन ती सिक्रेसी जी आहा ह्या केसीच्या बद्दल दवरची पडटली म्हणून बट गोवा पुलीस आपल्या परीत म्हणजे ह्या पद्दतीच्यो सगळे PFIचेर बॅन घालण्या पासून PFI रिलेटेड अशा पद्दतीच्यो एक्टिविटीज कोण करता तेंचे सगळ्यांचेर केसीस रजिस्टर्ड केल्या आनी त्या अनुसार एक्टूय जायत आसा नॅशनल सेक्युरिटी इज एन तितकीच इम्पॉर्टंट आसा म्हणून मागीर कोस्टल सेक्युरिटी आसूनी किंवा बाकीच्या बाबतींत टायम टू टायम आमी ह्यो गजाली रिव्यूय घेत आसा हो कोण तो चंगू बाबा काय कोण पळय न्ही ताका म्हाका दिसता ते चंगू बाबा असल्या गोंयांनी मदीं एक आनी एक बाबा आसलो तेजें कन्वर्जन बीन बंद केलें आमी थोडे जाण तो लोकांक बसींनी व्हरतालो बीन आनी तोय ती बाबागिरी करतालो मदीं तेजी सगळी ही बंद केल्ली आहा तो थोडो वेगळ्या नांवान आसलो मातसो ओके ताका लागून म्हणजे इवन व्हेरिफिकेशन ऑफ द लेबर टेनंटच न्ही व्हेरिफिकेशन ऑफ द लेबर विथ द पुलीस व्हेरिफिकेशन रिपोर्ट ऑनलायन टू द कन्सर्न तांचे पुलीस स्टेशन ही सिस्टम आतां सुरवात केल्या म्हणून जर लोकांनी थोडेशें सहकार्य करप हें गरजेचें आसा आनी लोकांनी सहकार्य करता आसतना म्हाका दिसता आयज विरोधकांनी पयले फावटी म्हणजे पुलिसाचे हितूर खंयसरूच मात सुद्दां म्हणजे म्हाका फॉल्ट अशी दिसूंक ना जे दिसा तेंच्यांनी रिपोर्ट केला म्हणजे लोकांक कदाचित म्हणजे पयले दिसा ताका धरल्या त्यो दीस दिसला बट अवर पुलीस इज इन टच वीथ देम फॉर लास्ट 8 days आनी ताजेर रिपोर्टींग गोंयानूच सगळ्या गोंयच्या पुलिसांनूच ताका सगळो जाण सपोर्ट केल्लो आसा त्या खातीर हांवें म्हटलें की UP इट इज एन फोर्सफुली एंटी कन्वर्जन लॉ फोर्सफुली कन्वर्जन करपाक मेळना बऱ्याचशा स्टेटींनी पास केला म्हाका दिसता आतां आमी बी फोर्सफुली एंटी कन्वर्जन करपाक मेळना असो कायदो हाडपाची गरज आसा कारण ताका तुमी म्हाका दिसता काँग्रेस म्हणून सपोर्ट करपाक जाय आनी ते सपोर्ट करपाची गरज आसा फाटल्या फावटी आमी एकदां लव जिहाद गोंयांत खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात टार्गेट करून जावपाक लागलेले स्पेसिफीक टार्गेट करून आनी लव जिहादाच्यो केसीस आतां ताका तुमी म्हणटले म्हाका ते एडल्ट सन तेज्या मर्जीनुसार बट टार्गेट करून जेन्ना केसीस जाता पळय न्ही तेन्ना ह्यो लक्षांत येयल्ल्यो आसा ह्या केसीसाचे केन्ना तरी फिगर हांव दिता म्हणून म्हाका दिसता तेन्ना तुमी म्हणपाक लागले तेन्ना लव जिहाद बीन कांय ना म्हणून ओके अशा पद्दतीच्यो केसीस ह्यो ते स्लिपर सेल बीन जे म्हणटा पळय न्ही हे वेगवेगळे लोक हे अशाच पद्दतीत काम करता तांकां आयडेंटिफाय करप हे गरजेचें आसा नो डावट आमचे पुलीस इंटेलिजन्स स्पेशल ब्रांच हे सगळे जाण आपल्या परीत करीत आसात बट विशेष करून गांवांतल्यो ग्रामपंचायती हांकां आनी पंच हांकांय आपल्या गांवांत एक्टिविटी कितें आसा पुलिसांक खबर आसता बट तांच्यांनी बी कॉपरेट करप हें गरजेचें आसा तांच्यांनी कॉपरेट करचें म्हाका दिसता कारण पुलीस अशा पद्दतीचे हे क्रॅकडावन करपा खातीर चड वेळ लावचे ना आनी इन फ्युचर अशा पद्दतीच्या लोकांक आमी गोंयांत थारो दिवचो ना हांवें प्रॉम्प्टली सांगता नक्कीच म्हाका खात्री आसा म्हज्या होम डिपार्टमेंटाचेर म्हाका विश्वास आसा
जे व्हेरिफिकेशन करता म्हणटा पळय ते व्हेरिफिकेशन सारकें जायना ताका लागून स्पेशल सेल आमचो सजेशन आसा स्पेशल सेल हेकाच लागून करचो डिपार्टमेंटल कित्याक थंय पावता आतां समज कर्नाटका गेले त्या पुलीस स्टेशनाच्यान व्हेरिफिकेशन येवपाक जाय परत येवपाक जाय हांगा व्हेरिफिकेशन केलें म्हणटा आमी डॉक्युमेंटेशन दिता आमी सगळे पळयता आधार कार्ड दिता सगळे एड्रेस दिता ते स्टेटीचो पण ते सारकें आसा काय तेंची क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटीज आसा हेजो हे खात्री घेवपाक जाय म्हाका दिसता ताका लागून स्पेशल सेल व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट स्पेशल सेल हे करपाक
सर आमी ते टॅनंट व्हेरिफिकेशनान ते करून घेता
येस
आमगे what is our role also if Catholics are involved we would like to know because love jihad म्हणले is coming to not coming to us minorities म्हणले काय ना आणि conversion bill म्हणले काय ना all those things come into the picture so CM I think you should be clear that amge oddan from the Catholic side we are having no conversion at all been done in the state according to
speaker sir गोयातली हार्मोनी केन्नाच डिस्टर्ब जावंक ना ओके आणि ती जावची न्ही म्हणून काही लोक जे डिस्टर्ब
I agree chief minister it should not be but mixed up जायना
न्ही म्हणून हांवें क्लियर कट ताका सांगला म्हणजे फोर्सफुली कन्वर्जन करपा खातीर जे कोण प्रयत्न करता ते फोर्सफुली कन्वर्जन जावपाक जायना हांवें त्या ती म्हटलां आतां गोंयांतले बी म्हणजे इंटर रिलिजियस मॅरेज जाता इट इज देअर विलिंगनेस
no problem
इट इज देअर विलिंगनेस
no problem
हिंदू कॅथलिकां वांगडा जाता, कॅथलीक हिंदू वांगडा जाता, अजुनूय कोणी मुस्लिमां वांगडा जाता, दॅट इज देअर विश. बट फोर्सफुली जे कन्वर्जन आहा पळय न्ही, हें फोर्सफुली जावंक जायना. म्हणजे बाय गिवींग द डिफरंट टायप्स ऑफ तांकां कितें म्हणटा ते आमी आमिश दिवन अशा पद्दतीन तुका पयशे दिता आनी कितें दिता हें दिवन जावपाक जाय. दॅट इज आफ्टर ऑल इट इज अप टू द हें. आनी तितकी हार्मोनी गोंयांत मेंटेन केल्ली आसा. ओके, आमी फॉलो करता तसो पळोवंक वचत जाल्यार म्हणजे युनिफॉर्म सिव्हिल कोडचे फॉलो करता आसतना आमी गोंयांत आतां पर्यंत सगळे फॉलो करीत आयिल्ले.
ऑनरेबल सीएमान सांगलें की आतां फोर्सफूल कन्वर्शन आमी स्टॉप करतले म्हणून. ही ओके, आतां फकत कितें तें मिस गायड जावंक उपकारना, कित्याक थोडे विलिंगली आपूण खुशेन जाता. एक पाट कोणाक खंयच्याय धर्मान जॉयन जाता, कोणाचें हाडूंक जायना. मात फोर्सफुली कितें वता तें ओके सर. थँक्यू.
स्पीकर सर, 2 आमदार जे बीजेपी सपोर्ट करता वा बीजेपीन आसा ते उलोवंक सोदता तें हें की एक व्हडलें जाळें घालून ते खंयच्या खंय लागता तें जाळें. पयलें म्हणल्यार लव जिहाद बिहाद म्हणटा तें गोंयांत लागपाची वस्तूच न्ही. मुखेलमंत्र्यान तें आपलें नॅशनल नॅरेटीव काडला आनी हांगा हाडला. लव जिहादाचो इशू न्ही हो एक क्रिमिनल गोंयांत आशिल्ले आनी ताका पुलिसेन कशें धरलें ना हो इशू थंयच उरलो. तुमी आतां उलयतात लव जिहाद, फोर्स कन्वर्जन. हें फोर्स कन्वर्जन खंयचें आयलें? कोणें केलें? कितले लोकांक कन्वर्ट केलें तेणें? वेर इज द रिपोर्ट? आमकां सांगचो आतां. आनी हांव रेजिडेंटाक सपोर्ट करता. बाय द एंड ऑफ द सेशन रिपोर्ट दी. कितले लोक कन्वर्ट जाले, कितले लोकांचे लव जिहाद म्हणटा आहा. ओगी नाका आशिल्ले टर्म गोंयांत हाडनाका. हें दुयेंस तुमी गोंयाक लायतात. हो व्हायरस.
सर स्पीकर सर हांवें क्लियर सांगलां.
आनी जे तांणी उलयला इज द फियर दॅट दे हॅव. दे आर एक्सप्रेसिंग फियर दॅट यू आर पुटिंग अ बिग नेट.
स्पीकर सर तो कन्फ्यूज करता. तेका तो सध्या जाळे घेवन भोंवपाक लागला. कोण जाळ्याक मेळटा ताका जाळ्यान घेवपाक.
जे ताका सपोर्ट करता मनीस उलोवंक शकना.
सर तो रेजिडेंट तुज्या जाळ्याक वताना
उलोवपाक आमकां फ्री रायट आहा उलोवपाक. आनी वी आर व्हेरी क्लियर. आमकां इफ ही वॉन्ट्स टू से समथिंग आय डोंट वांट टू स्टॉप हिम. I can't stop him. विजय राव
तांचे ना आमचे तांचे कोणाचे सगळे गोंयकार आमी. आमचे ना तांचे ना खंय आल तूं?
स्पीकर सर
आमचे ना म्हळ्यार कितें?
स्पीकर सर मी जे कन्फ्यूज करता जाल्यार हांव कन्फ्यूज करना. आय एम व्हेरी क्लियर. आय सेड मायनॉरिटीज म्हणल्यार काय ना आमगे रिलिजनाचे आमगे लोकांचेर येवपा जायना म्हूण म्हणला. व्हेरी क्लियर. सी आय एम नॉट मिक्सिंग वर्ड्स. दे आर व्हेरी क्लियर. So second part Rao Vijay Rao, and I don't require, we don't require BJP, I don't require. Tamde ha sir, ha muglen tamde ha. तो साखे गोय बोलताल्यार आमी हिंगा हाय एको कडेन हाय. I don't require to tell what I want. I will speak what I want, Speaker sir. I am very clear.
Speaker sir. Yes, okay. No, Speaker sir, एकूच सिरियस इशू फकाणा करपाचो न्ही. जाता जाल्यार आमी गोंयचे आमी युनिफॉर्म सिव्हिल कोडाचे कित्याक उलयतात की गोंयाक एक अस्तित्व अशें आहा आनी आमची आयडेंटिटी युनीक आहा. ही देशभरान जे जाता ते दुयेंस आमकां लागूंक शकना. हांगा क्लियर इशू आहा पुलिसिंगाचो की पुलीस इतले हांगा ट्रान्सनॅशनल नेटवर्क हांगा येवन बरे भशेन हल्द्या गोवान येवन रावतात. हल्द्या गोंयान गोंयकार रावना, गोंयकार ना थंय. थंय गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर आहा जे 2 नंबर पयशे करता. थंय रेड पडिल्ल्यो आहा ईडीच्यो. गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर आशिल्ले हांगा जे हे डिपार्टमेंटान काम करताले ते थंय रावताले आनी ताचेर ईडीच्यो रेड पडल्या. मुखेलमंत्र्याक खबर आहा कोण ते पसून. सो ते लोक सर्वसामान्य न्ही. ते लोक कन्वर्जन तसले करूंक येवंक ना. ते पयशांचे कन्वर्जन करूंक आयला ब्लॅक टू व्हायट आनी व्हडले कोट्यांनी रुपयाचे शेकड्यांनी कोटी रुपयाचे. ताजेर उलया.
स्पीकर सर हांवें ताका क्लियर कट सांगला पुलिसा कडल्यान खंयसरूच फेलियर ना. त्या खातीर हांवें म्हाजो विशय क्लियर दवरला आनी ह्यान फुडें आमी वॉट एवर द कॉपरेशन रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द यूपी पुलीस हें आमच्या कडल्यान कितें जालें
फेलियर आहाय तो पुलिसाचो फेलियर ना
सर.
आनी पुलिसा इज अ पुलीस फेलियर. ह्या फेलियरांतल्यान सेक्युरिटी फेलियरांतल्यान कन्वर्जन केलें. इट इज अ पुलीस फेलियर.
स्पीकर सर आमचे पुलीस बरे सादे ते बावडे सुशेगाद ते रावले.
येस
विजय येवन धरुनी म्हण पयली.
येस
कंप्लीटली इंटेलिजन्स फेलियर.
डिस्कशन जालें. असाइन टू बिल
अरे करूंक जाय ताणें डिपार्टमेंट तो
Secretary,
Sir, I report assent of the Honorable Governor to the bills shown in today's list of business.
Assent to the bills.
yes. Motion for extension of time.
Okay.
श्री रोहन खोटे माननीय पर्यटन मंत्री आणि गोवा आउटडोर ॲडव्हर्टाइजमेंट रेग्युलेशन
advisory.
कंट्रोल बिल 2025 बिल नंबर 8 ऑफ 2025 निवड समितीचे अध्यक्ष आणि त्या विषयाचेर अहवाल सादर करपाची मुदत वाड दिवपाचो प्रस्ताव मांडलो.
Business advisory.
Sir, I request for leave to move the motion to extend the time for the select committee on the Goa Outdoor Advertisement Regulations and Control Bill 2025, Bill number 8 of 2025, to present its report.
येस प्रश्न असो आसा मुदत वाडोवन दिवपाक अनुमती दिवची काय कितें जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें
How much time you want?
मुदत
Till
वाडोवन
how much time you want?
We'll complete it in this session only.
Will it be after? It will take some
No,
time.
no.
We'll complete it this
Report already
session.
झाला. Preliminary report
Because
already
it
झाली.
had gone to the select committee, no?
Why?
Select committeeचा time period
Meeting
was
आहे पण
not
select
So
considered.
extend it, why you are
So we
bringing?
have
Why
extended
the
time.
urgency?
When there
Why
is
the
a
urgency?
session
It
on
will take
when we
time.
are going
It's
to
not a matter.
It is in court.
सेशन
court.
टाइम आमकां वाडोवचो पडटा कित्याक सेशनान सिलेक्ट कमिटी हावजानूच फॉर्म जाल्ली.
Number two,
You can
bill
give another 3 months. It can be done 3
go
months.
in the next
पहिलो
week, no?
पहिलो रिपोर्ट जो आसा प्रिलिमिनरी तो सबमिट जाना फुडें ह्या दिसांनी आमी परत मिटींग घेतले फायनल रिपोर्ट सबमिट जातलो आनी बिल ह्या असेंब्ली येतले.
What is the hurry? What is the hurry? No hurry. It can go after 3 months.
It is in court, right?
3 months can be given.
Because you can go.
3 months.
येस
No, we are coming in this assembly.
अरे members, committee member का उलयलं नाही.
अरे committee member आपयचे नाही.
Committee member.
विथ ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन
Because
ह्यो गजाल्यो सगळ्या मेंबरांकडे उलयल्ले आसा जे आज आमी करता ते सगळ्या मेंबरांक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेऊनच उलयल्ले आसा.
committee
Yes.
member सांगितले.
भितर
येस प्रश्न असो आसा मुदत वाडोवन दिवपा खातीर अनुमती दिवची काय कितें जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें
हय.
जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जाल्यार मुदत वाडोवन दिवपाचो प्रस्ताव मान्य जाला. कामगार सल्लागार समितीचो अहवाल माननीय मुख्यमंत्री.
Sir, I move that this house to agree with the third report of 2025 of the Business Advisory Committee.
येस आता हा प्रस्ताव सभागाच्या
अरे येईल रिपोर्ट येईल ना.
आहे ना
रिपोर्ट
घेतलो रे.
येस
दिनासतो ना आज वाचनासतो ना टपाटाप.
झालं बरं आता.
पावल मेळो
लोपे पहिली दी.
वाचू तरी जाता. बिकॉज सर एक सांगपा सोदता आमी जे बीएससी उलयताय ते बीएससीन तुका लेटरूय दिली तूं गायनाय तुमी एक हेज म्हूण गायिल्लें. एनीवेज बिकॉज एक हांव आज सांगपाक सोदता आज एक जे एग्जाम्पल सकाळी आमी एक कॉलिंग अटेन्शन घातिल्लें दुसरें घेतलें 2 गायिल्लीं दुसरें आज घालपा आहलें एक चेंज जालें दुसरें घेतलें.
खंयची घेवपाचें हांव ठरयतलें.
But we put it specifically for today's date. आयची डेट गायिल्ली. कितको हे सगळे क्रॉस कनेक्शन जाता. कोण कोणाक उलयता. कित जाता.
लीडर ऑफ क्वेश्चन तो बाबा ते केन्ना दिवपाचें कशें दिवपाचें तें
But we put a date.
ते तुजी एक न्ही एक म्हाका 2, 3, 4, 5 तरी आसता प्रत्येकाचें.
ना पण आयचे मागीर कितें जालें आयज केन्ना घेतलो कित्याक ऑनरेबल आमगे मेंबर फाल्यां ना ही हेज इन्फॉर्म्ड यू आयज येवपा आहलो ते तो फाल्यां ना मागीर फाल घेवन मागीर करशी हें करशे पोर घेयना जाल्यार पोरां घे मातशें स्पिकर सर पोर घे.
तुवें ऑनलायन खूब केल्यो बरोबर पेपर वाचयले खूब आहा पूण हे जे डिमांडाचे तुवें पयलीं लेट पेपर्स टू बी लेड ऑन द टेबल तुवें म्हटलें पळय ऑफ ऑल द डिमांड बजेटेड 83 डिमांड जे आसा पळय ते ऑनलायन तूं घालतलो हांव जाणा कितें ऑन टेबल पूण ते हार्ड कॉपी तरी हे तर दिया आमकां वाचपाक डिफिकल्ट जाता आमकां करपाक स्पिकर सर ते जायना सोसरान आमी जाणटे जाल्यार भुरगे ना आजुनी ते आमचे दोडे पिड्यार म्हाका डबल ग्लास पडला आतां तेका बिना दिता तुका म्हाका दी ते हार्ड कॉपी तरी दी सॉफ्ट कॉपी बरें आहा पूण आमकां प्रिंट करपाक लायता तूं आमकां तशें जायना हे पाटी तूं आमकां कंप्युटर दिवना ना स्पिकर सर तुवें आमकां कंप्युटर दिवना प्रिंटर दिवना काय दिवना एवरी इयर एवरी टायम दिता कितें जालां तुजें स्पिकर सर मातशें हार्ड कॉपी दी आमकां म्हाका तरी दी तेका नाजाल्यार सोडून
ओके बरें आता हो प्रस्ताव सभागृहाच्या मतदाना खातीर घालता. जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें, जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें.
हय.
हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणे मान्य जाला, हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणे मान्य जाला. प्रस्ताव मंजूर जालो. आता 2025-26 वर्सा खातीर अर्थसंकल्पाचे सर्वसाधारण भासाभास करूया. वागण्यांनी चर्चेक सुरवात करची.
स्पीकर सर लास्ट दिसा फक्त एलओपीक उलोवपाक दवरूनी सो एलओपी आनी हांव म्हणजे बेगीन सोंपतले. म्हणून लास्ट दिसा बुधवारा एलओपी स्पीकर सर रुलिंगाचे सगळ्यांनी ऑलमोस्ट रुलिंगाचे आज उलयतले सगळे मॅक्झिमम आज उलयतले. फाल्यां एक 2-3 जाण आमचे 10 आनी फाल्यां दवरूं नाका तूं. फाल्यां 5 जाणांक दवर.
येस कालो फ्रेडा
तुमच्यातले कोण आयज एक तूं उरल्या 2. ए वेंजे तूं जाता मरे.
कालूस आनी विरेश आज उलयतले.
कालू खंय दोगूच उलयतले. तो उलयता आयज क्रूज. तुम्ही उरले कितले रे परत एलओपीक दोन 4 जाण उरले. हेल्टन आयज गब्बर
Honourable Speaker, in respect of the budget of 25-26, introduction gives a very emotional and political rhetoric. It uses these words which I call cliches, referencing to double-engine Sarkar Swatantra Goa and Vision 2047. While they have very wonderful inspirational tone, they lack the measure for giving any direction in how they will be operationalized. There is no clarity whether how much has been completed and the roadmap how they will be completed. As far as fiscal profile is concerned, the GSDP growth rate is optimistic, but there is no major reform for tourism or the industry. Everything seems to be going on in the same way it was going on before. We need innovation. We are having stiff competition from other states. We are having competition from Far East, and we need to innovate so that we can live up to our expectations. The growth rate of 14.27 projected per capita income of 9.69 lakhs seems overly optimistic because there is no reform. Capital assistance of 1,520 crores from the center is notable. But unfortunately, there is one thing which is government always does is hiring consultants. आणि मुगे सद्दां म्हणटा consultants इतले पयशे घेतात, they are virtually like commission agents. They are making suggestions, and now it is time that the consultant should be held responsible for poor quality work, because they are collecting percentages of the work. They make recommendations and the government pays them. In addition, the government pays GST to them. The revenue surplus of 2,403 crores presented is positive, but it doesn't show how it was achieved, whether it was tax cuts or it was by revenue collection. As far as the debt to GDP ratio is said to be falling, but we don't know how, because no statistics have given, no figures have been given. In general administration and coordination, the Unified Pension Scheme offers defined benefits, 50% of the basic pay, but the long-term fiscal sustainability is questionable. No actual analysis of funding model is shared. State festivals status to local events like Dindi Utsav, the Morgonche Laira Zatra is symbolic. But when you make this as a Zatra, Honorable Speaker, I have come for your functions in Kanakana. Entire setup, entire arrangement is done. It's just like a village which is functioning over there. But when you have this Utsav, I have seen the Dindi in Margaon. Morgaon रावतात तेन्ना राती वयताले दिंडी. कांय infrastructure कांय ना, एक bomb blast पासून जाल्लो एक फाटी राती. So I feel that सरकारान not only announce it as state festival, but असलो arrangement करूंक जाय. आमचे लाराय जात्राक stampede जालो लोक मेलो. Because this is the thing when you don't have the infrastructure and money being spent for it. Declaring state festival, you only start bringing people there, tourists atle, and lok magi zogotle and motle tinga. Recognition, investment in Goa Bhavan. Avnena kita itle Goa Bhavan bayar koru sotat, kita lok Bangalore, Madras, te sadi noshna. So if there's Goa Bhavans, mostly people go to Bombay or they go to Delhi. An upgradation of Goa Institute of Public Administration, but we need something good so that we give good officers. Personnel and human resource reforms. This is long overdue by a revision of recruitment rules. But today I ask new courses atat, new qualifications asat. But I ask also one thing to the government. Why don't you do, Honorable Chief Minister, one small, in personnel department, recruitment rules you are saying you are amending, but there is also promotional avenues. Why are the promotionals not being done? If not yearly, at least 2 yearly a promotional. Kizata, there is a backlog. Then the relation comes onto the date on which you are going to give them an appointment. If in case of a police, for example, if you don't promote them in time, then they don't get qualified for IPS. They lose the chance. Similarly, if they are not promoted on time, they don't have a regular promotion, they don't get considered for higher promotion. Recognition of private sector experience for LDC recruitment. It should be done, but it should be across the board for all the departments. Engagement of CA and CS professionals a good governance must be followed by periodic performance reviews. Mission Karam Yogi training mandated through IGOT platform. That is a central government project which is there, and I think that is very good because if the officers are updated with new techniques, it will work out. GHRDC expansion into private security. This is one ek security guards mon Human Resources Development Corporation atta. At GHRDC कितले advertisement काढले. mon पळोवपाक गेल्यार a department and दुसरे department जातात. They have become like labor contractor. ते कित्या labor contractor आमगे भुरगे बेकार आहात. ते जॉबाक सोदतात. आता latest advertisement काढलो तो जॉबाचो न्ही तो. Honorable Speaker तुम पळय जाले empanelment म्हणले. empanelment म्हणलं कितें? आमी बाजारांत वयता आतां मानाय आसतात थिंगा. गोवणी आसतात, कार्पेंटर आहात, इलेक्ट्रिशियन आहात. आमी 3 जाण वतले हिंगातले, 2 जाण कार्पेंटर हाडले, एकले इलेक्ट्रिशियन वतले. काम जालें ते मागीर घरा परत लायनीन रावतले. असले एम्पॅनलमेंट म्हणले. इट इज नॉट जॉब. आमगे भुरगे हुस्केन आहात. कितले आयले सर म्हाका जॉब दी प्लीज रेकमेंड माय नेम. हांवें सांगलें फकत एम्पॅनलमेंट ते मानाय भाशेन तुमकां उबी कोत्तले. गरज आसा तेन्ना हाडले तुका. म्हणलो ऑल देयर लायफ ते सगळे लायफ तेंगे अशें उरले, कुसोन उरले, जॉब मेळच ना. एंड दीस इज समथींग इफ द गव्हर्मेंट सरकाराको पोस्ट आहात जाल्यार अपॉयंट देम. आय जे पॉयंट केल्या फाल्यां ते रिटायर जातले. बट एटलीस्ट यू गिव देम दॅट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मागीर लोकांक चान्स मेळटा. एड्युकेशनल सेक्टर. School education is 2,100 crores, but gaps in infrastructure and teaching quality remain unaddressed. आमचे इस्कलाचे म्हणटा तितले पयशे गायले, पूण आमचे शाळा कोलॅप्स जातात. आमगे शाळा इवन नॉट फिट फॉर लोकांक भितर बसपाक. कित्याक रिपेर करूंक जाय, लिकींग जाता, नोडे फुटले, थोडे स्लॅब आहा ते स्लॅब लीक जातात. सो दीस इज नॉट अ गुड थिंग. लॅपटॉप डिस्ट्रिब्युशन म्हणटात. लॅपटॉप डिस्ट्रिब्युशन करपाक लॅपटॉप दे गिव आयज टेंडर काडलो, दुसरे वर्सा नाल्यार 6 म्हयन्या उपरांत ते लॅपटॉप दितात. इफ यू आर गिविंग लॅपटॉप लेट, द टेक्नॉलॉजी बिकम्स आउटडेटेड. सॉफ्टवेअर पासून सामकें चलना मागीर. सो आय थिंक दीस हॅज टू बी डन व्हेरी रॅपिडली. नाल्यार भुरगे फकत कंप्युटर गेम्स खेळटात तेजेर आनी थोडे पाटी त्या लॅपटॉप पासून चलनात. CM cares and robotic inclusions should be across all schools. Fakat 442 isklang dila. I think it should be given to every school must have that chance. Cluster university model, this is under NEP. Our educational system, Honorable Speaker, has got private institutions and public institutions. In the private institutions which are running, we don't have that system by which people are being given jobs by the government directly. They are not transferable posts. They can't be taken from one place to another. But when you're having a cluster, that is the confusion which is arising. It is also how the children will run between one college to another college. This is how they are doing this, clustering. So some lectures in this place, some lectures in that place, and this is the manner in which it will never work. It requires a proper infrastructure. Establishing Gaitonde Soza chairs. But there is no curriculum and nothing which is mentioned about that in the Goa University. In technical education and skill development, there's an outlay of 120 crores, but the actual utilization and industrial linkages must be assessed. We are qualifying children in technical courses, but we never go and study what is the demand of the industries. That is why there are so many pharma companies here which now have started earn and learn. But I think they are not giving our children that opportunity, they are giving other people the chance. So who are graduating while working with them. If we have industry-related courses which are being provided, then I think that the government will be able to give employment with higher speed. But if you bring one particular industry for which we don't have qualified people, nor have you trained people to be qualified because those industries are coming, they will definitely bring people from out and engage them, and our children will have no jobs. Upgrading ITIs and centers of excellence under Tata Technologies. This announcement has been made also in the previous budget, but nothing has come out about the curriculum and the relevance and placement goals. Apprenticeship, 11,000 promise केल्ले. I त्यांना सांगलोले ते apprenticeship बोललोले ते फकत election येत देखून apprenticeship गायले तेंका. आता apprentice इकरा मोहिने apprenticeship केले किस जाले तेंचे भुरग्यांचे ते घरा गेले. ते घरा बेकार बसून आहात ते. So this is the apprenticeship only because election. परत आता election येतले ZP, परत तुम्ही advertisement काढले आणि assembly election तेन्ना अनेक advertisement येतलो. फकत advertisement लोकांक खोपान दवरून. So I think that this kind of apprenticeship without any sense of direction, where you're getting an opening for a job, is a fraud. Entrepreneurship development schemes are in place, but the budget allocation appears insufficient. Infrastructure and sewerage. Road infrastructure, 30,000 crores in national projects. Lot of emphasis has been done on national highway expansion, major roads, but nothing in the rural segment. And I think the government must focus on internal roads. You talk about tourism in the hinterland, you talk of Goa beyond the beaches, and if you don't have proper infrastructure in the rural places, how do the common man survive? Forget tourists coming. Nobody is going to come here to have bumpy roads and bad roads and probably die on those roads. Repeated references to the complete or sanctioned works were not matched by completion timelines or third-party verification. Sewerage allocation, only 30% coverage is being added. Universal sanitation remains distant. I'm guessing sewerage network is not proper. Even in the MAPSA city, MAPSA Municipal Council, that Kamarkazan, finally they have said, managed to get them also to make sure that it is starting, but everything is not yet connected and fully functional. And therefore, I think that they need to speed up so that you have this sewerage and that people don't leave waste in and contaminate local areas. Now, as far as payment of bills and billing by penalties for making payments of the bills and incentivizing by saying, if you don't pay, we will challenge. Today what is happening is, as far as water bills, after stopping that 16 units free, people are getting bills in thousands. It's not that they have changed the meter. It's not that they have changed into electronic meters. Electricity department, after making electronic meters, the bills are running very fast. And now they're going to come out with smart meters, I'm told. Smart meter like you first pay, have a amount in your thing like a prepaid mobile recharge, and if your money is over, you remain in darkness. You'll have to buy candles and wait. Creation of a new drinking water department. I think this is also linked along with our MADE. Because if we are not going to get water, proper water supply, and you are not having this proper connect, because please understand, there is one division which is supplying water, there's another division which is treating water, and finally there's another division which is going to now handle MADE. So if you are not linking these three together, how will the department work? It will only be paperwork, and nothing coming out. And only you are paying salaries to the staff. The WT projects worth 1,000 crores are crucial, but past failures in commissioning and leakages raise questions. In electricity, we have 4,131 crores allocation, which is substantial, but budget is lacking in disclosing how this transmission and distribution losses are being accounted, how infrastructure upgrades are being done, and what are the billing reforms being done. Underground cablings in 239.77 crore, and smart meters is what is being mentioned. These smart meters which I've just mentioned. There's 338 crores for distribution system, but again, there are no proper audits which have been given. In renewable energy, there are 62.15 crores allocation is modest, considering Goa's renewable energy potential and the national clean energy commitments. Projects like 700 solar pumps, rooftop solar on substations, and a 5 megawatt solar pump at Goa Engineering College are welcome, but need stronger scalability and timeline clarity. I know that the government of Goa, along with the government of India, is trying to go for green energy, solar energy, but I think the speed in which things are going on is a little rather slow. I think the ministry, the government requires to look into it so that we rely less on these power supplies and get it directly to ourselves. Model solar village and subsidies for EVs. I think we need to increase the subsidy for EVs, because at the moment the subsidy which are going, I'm told, is going slow because budgetary provision is not available. And then there is no projection of how much you will be able to provide through the solar or the EVs, and finally at the end of the day, how much you will offset against the national requirement which you are importing, or how much demand has to be made available. In urban development, 452.68 crore allocation shows intent, but priorities like slum redevelopment, 5 crores, seems heavily underfunded. Smart city mission, like beautification at Pato, Cafe Bosle Square, Ribandar Market, I think these are not all required. Let us even speak about this, though it's on the national highway, you are having one restaurant coming up on the Zuari Bridge. Why do we need that restaurant? You are diverting funds which could have been used for better development of the highway. The government need not propose such type of projects which will serve neither you nor me, because those who will go on those restaurants will be only those, the rich and the famous, because only those who can afford will go. The rates are very high. I remember going to Ahmedabad, there is one restaurant called Patang, it is a revolving restaurant. Long back I went, it was 1,200. Now, a few days back, for just one veg meal, by the way. And if you go now I'm told it's about 8,000 rupees, excluding tax, per person, to have some veg meal over there and just to sit there, to rotate there. I don't think that it is worth for any poor man to go, and our locals will definitely not go. It will become like a casino where Goans are not allowed, all others will come. Of course, I'm not saying that we should go to casinos. In the cities too, an Amrut project for improving water supply and sewage, they need to be done, monitor it properly, because unless you have it effective, otherwise we are getting water which is not even potable. Smart poles and illumination plans, they should be energy saving, and they should not be those which are just decorative and having no effect. New MOPA city under MADA lacks public consultation details. That's MOPA Authority for Development. Because you need to have something as a blueprint which aligns with the local heritage and the local needs. No mention of garbage segregation, landfill management or enforcement of the SWM rules 2016. The garbage collection is going on and everybody says, don't dump it here, don't dump it there. Even if an MRF shed is being built in the villages, people oppose not knowing what's an MRF shed. They all believe that this is a garbage dumping site. As a matter of fact, there were problems even in my constituency where people were misleading to say that this is going to be another Sansoro. So, I have seen in Kamurli what you all have got. It is very well being managed and it is very well organized segregation, including disposal, how you all are doing. And I thought that our people should also know this. But I think that this kind of thing should be done across not just the city, because Honorable Speaker, I'm going to give an example. If tomorrow I visit Mapsa city, for example, and I have eaten a chocolate and I wish to throw the paper out, I will not roll my window and throw it out, but I would like to throw it in a dustbin. But you know what happens? There are no dustbins now. There are collection centers. And in the collection centers, what is the rule? If you go to that collection center and throw, they come and catch you and they fine you. And they say, no, no, you're not from this constituency, so you can't come and throw here. So this man is supposed to carry that thing, or I will carry this packet maybe of food which is like the bones or something of chicken or some waste and all that. How many people will have the patience to carry it with them back home and put in their dustbin? We are not in Europe. People will just take it and throw it in any place where they can, in the first place opportunity they get where no one is looking. So this is what will happen. I think we need to open the doors and we need to make sure that we have these places where people can also, who come to the city, like as we have public toilets so that they can, the convenience places for them, they should also have this kind of convenience centers where people can also have this public, waste being thrown or being kept. As far as tourism is concerned, 440.98 crores allocation recognizes tourism economic role, but the sector's long-standing issues. Any tourist site which is being developed, we don't have any proper infrastructure. Whether it's a fort, whether it's any place, heritage site, there are no proper dustbins, there are no proper toilets, there are no convenience rooms there, even resting rooms. I can understand in a heritage zone you may have certain restrictions, but I think these are the things which are needed because you end up tourists coming there, and very often we got the type of tourists who come with their shigri, they come with their handis, they cook over there because they come in a bus, and then after that, where do they go? They go around the bushes, which is very sad. They dirty the place and they go away. I think when we are speaking of tourist infrastructure, we need to make sure that not only identifying and promoting, but making such things available to the people. As far as certain projects I will mention, Oceanarium, which are very capital intensive, environmental sensitive and uncertain on return on investment. Aerotourism, I presume that it is at Sukkur, no? Kitla, I think. Kitla, Sukkur. Kitol, oh, Kitol. Kita, because in Kitla it's written in the budget speech. Oh, I thought you have a Kitla there. Kitol is in Campaign, that side. Yeah. Okay, Kitol. So I was wondering from where they will fly from out. Anyway, it's a niche interest, questionable economic multiplier and high safety regulation needs. I'm only hoping then caravan parks, again, caravan parks are welcome for hinterland tourism and for people to go, but again this comes with the infrastructure which I speak about. Now what I'm saying is, now look at this Ro-Ro ferry. When it came, there were complaints of Ro-Ro ferries being charging as much as 200 rupees per vehicle, and they said to people that this 200 rupees is for tourists, just 2-3 minutes more. 200 rupees is for tourists, 150 is for locals. Till finally, after a lot of noise, it was reached to 30 rupees. I'm told, I'm still not sure. Some people have complained at 100 rupees being charged. If a person even pays 100 rupees one way and 100 rupees the other way, coming back every day 200 rupees only on that ferry, imagine how much he'll have to spend out of his earnings, which he will not be able to save. And then we don't want these kind of things, projects, which will make our people pay such very high through the nose and not be able to even enjoy. Cruise tourism, that is something we need to work on, which you have also assured. Online taxi aggregator policy has taken undue priority over urgent, affordable mass transport needs. Aggregator policy lacks integration. I will talk on this aggregator policy when the Honorable Minister speaks on that. That motion has been postponed. So in a nutshell, the budget misses low-cost, high-impact interventions such as reviving heritage forts and walking trails, linking rural homestays to mainstream tourism, training and certifying locals in hospitality skills. As far as other issues relating to tourism, I will speak when on the day of the demand, so that I can make forth what are the grievances, what are the suggestions we can make. I'm obliged.
Honorable Member Delilah Lobo.
I'm here to speak on Budget 25-26. Goa's GSDP has reached rupees 1,38,624.86 crore with a growth rate of 14.27% and per capita income of rupees 9.69 lakhs. The state has recorded a revenue surplus of rupees 1,423 crore in 2023-24 and expects 2,403 crore surplus in 25-26. Despite a borrowing limit of rupees 4,500 crore, only 1,050 crore was borrowed. This shows strong financial discipline as far as our state is concerned. Fiscal deficit remains at rupees 2,826.44 crore, which is well within the 3.5% cap. Rupees 1,520 crore was received under double engine Sarkar special assistance from the central government, and we thank our central government for this assistance. Rupees 174.99 crore has been allotted to general administration and rupees 17.68 crore to the new Goa Institute of Public Administration building. Festivals like Dindi Utsav in Margaon and Devi Lairai Jatra in Shirgaon have been given state festival status. But at the same time, I would request our Honorable CM to see that what happened during Devi Lairai Jatra, such things should not happen, should not take place at other festival places also. Land worth rupees 26.05 crore acquired in Ayodhya for Goa Ram Nivas, while renovation of Goa Nivas, Goa Sadan and construction of Goa Bhavan at Belapur are in progress. At the same time, I would request our Honorable CM, आमचे वर्साक every year thousands and lakhs of people from Goa across all the faiths, they go to Velankani also. And we would, on behalf of all the people who are, who go to Velankani, I would request him to also look if he can put one Goa Southern at Velankani. You know what happens? Sometimes the train comes in the morning and leaves by night. And it becomes very difficult for those people who go over there. They don't have space or a place even to change. Goa Southern or Goa Nivas, whatever you call it, at Velankani is a need of the hour. Rupees 15.90 crore has been allotted to renovate the Samadhi of Bhau-Sahib Bandudkar. Government recruitment rules will now allow private sector experience for eligibility. National level institute will guide reforms in recruitment practices. Chartered accountants, company secretaries and cost accountants will be engaged for transparency. All government employees will complete at least one online training under Mission Karma Yogi, which will give them more skills. 4,000 people will be recruited through GHRDC with plans to extend it to the private sector. Human resources आमचे एकूच सांगूंक जाता की युटिलिटी भुरगे आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींतले नाल्यार खूब जेन्ना एम्प्लॉय करतात they get salary of rupees around 16,000 and traveling from, I'll give my constituency this, surely they are put right to Mershe. So 16,000 salary travel itle poise. So I would request the Honorable CM to look into it that they should be put somewhere, somewhere closer in Bardez maybe. Because that 16,000 will be utilized around 10,000 of it for travel only. Transparent recruitment through a staff selection commission will be made mandatory. 15.95 crore is allocated to the Goa Public Service Commission and a new GPSC building is proposed. Rupees 54.79 crore has been allocated to Planning, Statistics and Evaluation Department. 4 crore has been sanctioned under CM fellowship schemes for internship and research. Goa has achieved 103% Aadhaar enrollment and 100% direct benefit transfer into Aadhaar linked bank account. Goa CSR Authority projects worth rupees 16.17 crore have benefited 4.15 lakh people. Rupees 2,100 crore has been allocated for school education aiming at 100% literacy. CM CARES has reached 442 schools with a scaled up budget of rupees 19.91 crore and plans for centers of excellence. The Mukhyamantri Kaushalya Sahay Yojana will provide rupees 20,000 worth skill kits to students. Government middle schools will receive laptops and lab upgrades. Rupees 200 crore is allocated for school repairs. 74.21 crore is allocated for upgrading school infrastructure and a scheme will be launched for alternate Bal Rath facilities. Rupees 700 crore allocated for higher education with mandatory internship and skill startup cells in colleges. Cluster University will be formed to implement NEP 2020. Goa College of Art, Theatre College and Music Colleges will be strengthened with a mega campus in Panjim. 119.99 crore has been allocated to technical education. Rupees 5 crore Center of Excellence in Plumbing at GEC will be set up. 103.99 crore has been sanctioned for skill development and entrepreneurship. 11,000 apprentices will be trained and 500 companies will offer internships. So I only request the Honorable CM, every year आमची भुरगीं internship घेतात, apprenticeship, पूण तांकां हुंय तरी next year when it comes to around 8th or 9th month of their apprenticeship, they all come running back to the MLAs, concerned MLAs, ki आता फुडल्यान कितें काय म्हणून. So please make a policy to see that they are, put in, as it is said, in private or wherever where they will get benefit of that apprenticeship. Rupees 2 crore each is allocated for skills on wheels and Mukhyamantri Kaushalya Pat Yojana. 8.94 crore for a new ITI building in Kankon and 10 crore for COCs with Tata Technologies. Battery EV technician training will start at ITI Kakora. 596.5 crore allocated to finance and 1,480.34 crore under tribal sub-plan across departments. 2.5 crore allocated under Mukhyamantri Swayam Rozgar Yojana through EDC. 7.5 crore has been earmarked for PPP projects like Dona Paula Convention Center and Sanjeevani redevelopment. Junta House, Vasco Bus Stand, Panji Circuit House will be redeveloped. 67.82 crore worth of GSIDC projects will be inaugurated and 640.09 crore worth work will commence this year. 53.12 crore allocated for Tonka STP tertiary treatment facility. 25 crore and 300 crore allocated under phase 2 and phase 3 of Zuari River Conservation. A Goa Sewerage Master Plan 2050 will be launched. 801.48 crore allocated to Drinking Water Department. 577.01 crore for water supply works. 1023.35 crore already utilized for water treatment plants and smart meters will be introduced. I only request that my water treatment plant, which is underway at 5.6 MLD water treatment plant at Asagaon, Honorable CM should please look into it that Aprilan to काम सोपोवपाचो आसलो अजूनही ताजे काम सोपत ना. And our people, so many times, our ladies, you can see them begging actually and crying for water. Please look into this and see that the water treatment plant starts at the earliest for my people. 1,975.65 crore allocated to PWD, including 1,208.69 crore for road quality enhancement. 102.05 crore allocated under PM Gram Sadak Yojana. Green corridors and new road design policies will be introduced. PM Gram Sadak Yojana म्हणटा ते आमकां सगळ्या आमदारांक some person has to be kept for us so that we can also see that these our village roads whichever are left can to be done under this PM Gram Sadak Yojana. 102 crores, it's a big amount. 759.99 crore allocated to Water Resource Department and 1,000 crore for new water supply projects. Pre-feasibility study for 6 new dams will begin. 4,131.15 crore allocated to electricity with 1,000 crore for Goa Tamnar project. Smart meters and underground cabling are being implemented across feeders. But underground cabling zala त्या सुवातेर सगळ्या आमच्या ऑनरेबल सीएमाक रिक्वेस्ट करता की ज्या सुवातेर टेंडर कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट रस्त्याचे टेंडर जाल्यात रस्ते करपाचे त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक सांगचे की because especially during this rainy season and because of the potholes, potholes are called I mean when the water is clogged there you can't even see that pothole, and especially a lady driving riding a bike, it becomes so dangerous for them. So please demand that each contractor fills all the potholes with cold mix immediately. Those potholes cannot be kept. 338 crores sanctioned under Sudarit Vitaran Kshetra Yojana. 1,060.60 crore worth project will be completed this year. 62.15 crore is allocated to renewable energy with 60 crore for model solar village pilot. Solar plants will be set up at GEC and 700 solar water pumps installed. 14.5 crore subsidy for EVs and 50% subsidy on HT line for EV charging stations. 452.68 crore for urban development including smart poles, water meters and new city at Mopa. 440.98 crore for tourism with new cruise terminals, aerosports, caravan parks, digital museums and event platforms. Unity Mall, Porvorim Town Square and Chhatrapati Shivaji Museum upland. SGST rebate for 3-star plus hotels in hinterland and work station policies for digital nomads. Rupees 10 crore for Taxi Sahaya Yojana 8 crore for Maji bus scheme and 10 crore 8 for old bus owners. Goa Maritime Board will be set up and rupees 10 crore for Sagarmala projects. 85.80 crore for river navigation with new Ro-Ro and twin screw boats and 3-shift ferry system. Rupees 270 crore for Cancer Institute, rupees 130 crore for critical care and rupees 125 crore for allied health sciences. Rupees 27.61 crore for FDA with new testing labs and stricter licensing for eateries. 10 crore for IDC infrastructure and 107 crore for working women's hostels. Rupees 107.33 crore for human resource development with digitized labor welfare and job portals. Rupees 150 crore for science and technology and waste management including biotech park and online waste training. Rupees 15.72 crore for legal metrology with website revival and national conference hosting. Rupees 168.49 crore for forest. Rupees 16 crore for environment with ecotourism, biodiversity parks and plastic buyback. Rupees 312.52 crore for panchayat. 8 crore for backward panchayats, rupees 5 crore for Din Dayal scheme and rupees 20 crore for ZP. Rupees 306.30 crore for agriculture, 63.64 crore for Kazan Buns and 18.73 crore for coconut farming. 161 crore for veterinary services with new hospital and Goa Poultry Board. I must say the Honorable Chief Minister has touched each and every aspect as far as infrastructure is concerned and also as far as human happiness index is concerned. I really would like to congratulate our Honorable CM for this forward-looking budget, a visionary budget, and I would also request him to see that some part of this budget is also utilized for the works in my Shioli constituency. Thank you very much.
The House is adjourned till 4:30.